Hello, and welcome to Apiculus 101. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a tiered architecture in a VPC by creating subnets on the Apiculus Cloud Console. Subnets, or network tiers, within a VPC, can be used to create workload isolation at a networking level. Tiers, when used with access control lists, give very fine control on where workloads can be accessed from and where they cannot. This video assumes that you already have a VPC virtual router created in your account. To create a subnet in a VPC, navigate to the desired VPC and use the Add Tier button. This will present you with a basic form to define the subnet. In this demonstration, we'll create a web tier, which should be accessible publicly and will therefore have support for a public load balancer. We'll specify a gateway that's in sync with the super CIDR specified while we created the VPC, and a subnet mask to define the IP allocation within this subnet. And lastly, we'll specify the access to be allowed by default. The public web tier will be created with its own subnet CIDR that'll be in sync with the gateway and the netmask, which in turn will be in sync with the super CIDR for the VPC. And the tier will be created to allow all traffic by default. We'll also create an app tier in this demonstration, which should not be accessible publicly by default. We'll again specify the gateway and subnet mask as we did for the first tier, and this time, we'll set the access to be denied by default. The app tier will again be created with its own CIDR as per the subnetting rules specified while creating the tier. The tier is set to deny all traffic by default. Congratulations! You have now learned how to create tiers in a VPC network. Thanks for watching this video.